Hello and welcome to Durham Tech CTS120 hardware and software support. My name is Justin Bordeaux and today we will be discussing Ethernet cables. The learning objectives of this video are understanding what an Ethernet cable is, the types of Ethernet cables, and how to make an Ethernet cable. An Ethernet cable is one of the most common types of network cables. Ethernet cables connect computers and other devices to a network. Ethernet cables can be shielded or unshielded. A shielded cable is protected from electromagnetic interference and radio frequency interference, while an unshielded cable is not. Shielding is important in instances where the cable will be located near sources of interference such as generators, motors, or fluorescent lights. For normal home use, unshielded cables should be fine. The type of cabling used will determine the speeds that can be achieved. Cat 3 cable is an older standard that is capable of up to 10 megabits per second. Cat 5 cable is capable of up to 100 megabits per second, and Cat 6 cable, which can handle speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second. In order to make an Ethernet cable, you will need an RJ45 crimping tool, RJ45 connectors, and cabling. If available, you should purchase Cat 6 cabling. Otherwise, Cat 5 should be sufficient. Start by stripping about 1 inch of the outer jacket from each end of your cable. Unwind the inner wires and separate them by color, keeping same colors together, orange stripe with orange solid, and so forth. Pinch the wires flat between your fingers and order the wires as follows: orange stripe, orange solid, green stripe, blue solid, blue stripe, green solid, brown stripe, and brown solid. Note, this is the standard configuration and not suitable for directly connecting two PCs together. Once the wires are in order, make sure they are all equal length, cutting the ends to make them even if necessary. With the clip side facing away from you, push the wires into the open end of the RJ45 connector. Make sure the wires are fully inserted. Place the RJ45 connector into the correct slot in the crimping tool. Squeeze the crimping tool until you hear the click. Repeat this process on the other end as well. Keep in mind that the maximum length of an Ethernet cable is 100 meters or 328 feet. To recap, in today's video, we covered what an Ethernet cable is, the types of Ethernet cables, and how to make an Ethernet cable. This concludes today's video.